Yep, you haven't gotten rid of me yet. This is Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today we're demonstrating a radio that comes from the Netherlands. As I've mentioned in previous videos, my customer base is worldwide, and I can't tell you how good it makes me feel that customers specifically seek me out from across the world. This comes from Bart, and it's out of a 1977 Mercury Grand Marquis, and Bart has requested the modern internal conversion with the Bluetooth edition and my super cool master input-output box for your aux input, and if you want to use one of those super duper heavy amplifiers that bolt to the trunk with 4-inch lag bolts, then this is your 4-channel preamp and subwoofer outputs for that purpose. So let's go ahead and turn this puppy on, and I've got it set to FM at the moment. I've got all the presets set to stations in my area, and since I have to keep the song durations very short to avoid getting nailed by YouTube police on copyright, I'm just going to run through the presets real quick.
Sometimes you don't believe it.
Good enough just isn't for your new friend.
Okay, we'll go to AM, and I get one strong station right about here. Oh, here's one that I didn't mention. There's one, but there's another one. Baseball game. So there's our AM station. So we'll go back to FM, and we're gonna demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions. But let's do this on talk radio.
Knowing you don't have a home, just.
Okay, we're going to need our output level meters. Going to demonstrate our virtual front rear fader. That's all in the tone control. Your balance and fader is in your tone control now. The original fader control is no longer going to have any effect. So let's activate the virtual front rear fader. Do that by turning our tone control twice to the right.
I didn't have any understanding. Fader adjust.
Okay, fader adjust. So now the same control is adjusting our front rear speaker balance. All the way rear, all the way front, all the way rear. Okay, I'm going to center the speakers, and I'm going to stop adjusting it, and
I just fader set.
Fader is set, so it memorized that position. So now you can return your tone control to how you like it to sound. But first, let's activate the left-right balance control. Same procedure, except to activate it, we turn this tone control twice to the left.
In that dark place. Balance adjust.
Balance adjust. So now the same control is adjusting your left-right speaker balance. And again, you can adjust it as long as you want. And when you stop adjusting it, 2 more seconds, and balance is set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes, and let's get a stronger station here. Make my work look a little better. Don't like those weak stations making my work look bad. Well, I guess the only talk radio is on a weak station right now. Okay, I'll make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode, indicating that it works.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device, and since I don't do all that on the demonstration videos, she'll come back on 90 seconds later saying pairing not completed. I don't know if you can see the dial lights, but I can, so the dial lights are working. Okay, let's pop an 8-track in there. We don't need these meters anymore. Got some Neil Sedaka here. Okay, I'm going to switch tracks a bunch of times. At the end of a song there. No crosstalk between songs. That indicates proper head alignment. After all, I adjusted it.
You is on my mind. Plenty of pebbles upon the beach.
That nice bright sound you're hearing from the 8-track is thanks to my special hand-built preamp, which I have designed specifically to make up for the loss of treble in old 8-track tapes. With an old tape, it's going to bring it back out of the mud. With a relatively newer tape, you won't believe the sound. I've had so many customers mention how much better the 8-track sounds after I've done my magic on it. So that takes care of it. All the functions are working properly, and she's ready to go back to the Netherlands. So on that happy note, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. If you have an 8-track or car radio in need of service that is between 1950 and 1980, I'm your guy, of course. You can reach me at 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, everybody. And thank you so much, Bart, for your business clear from the Netherlands. That's halfway around the world. That's a good 13,000 miles away. So I really appreciate your seeking me out over that kind of distance to have me perform your repair work. Thanks for watching, guys.